Hey y'all, it's me Angela. I'm gonna do a pour today. American Floetrol. So I put in the paint in these jars and I just fill it with the Floetrol past the area of where the paint, is covered completely by the Floetrol. So you know. And that's the way I do my pouring medium. And then I leave them like this in these containers. And I come down the next day and I use them. Now, if I want some silicone in it, then I add the silicone in it. You could do it if you want some cells. But for this kind of a pour, I want to try to do it without any kind of cells. I mean, if I get any, that's fine too. It's not the end of the world. This one's a little thick. Let me add just a tiny bit of water for consistency. And I hope you can hear me because I am using my little earbuds. I really like them. I'm getting used to them. I even listen to music with them when I'm here by myself. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Okay, this looks good now. So now I could use this. This is gold, and I mixed it with gold and copper because I ran out of the gold. So I mixed them both together. And yeah. And this gray is a gray background. I did that purposely because I really want the paint to kind of slide when I put it on there. I want it to run through real nicely, not get stuck anywhere. And the gray is a good background. If you have any negative space, then it's a beautiful gray. It's not a bad gray at all. I got this paint a long time ago, and I'm still using it, so it's lasted me quite a long time. And here we go. This is what I've been doing. I'm lifting the corner on this side, and on this point, I'm coming down with the paint that I have mixed, like that, all the way down to the end. Yes, all the way down, all the way down. And then I put it up, and then put more paint in here, because I want to mix more paint in here. Put white again, same mixture of paints, of the colors. That's what I've been doing. I like these colors all mixed together. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. And you put them in your cup either way, any way you want to. That's what I do. Any way it comes out, I'm going to use it. And I did this on TikTok, and I really liked the way it turned out. So I said, let me do it on YouTube and see how they like it there, because they did like it at TikTok. That was that hot pink one that I did. I also did that one on TikTok too. For some reason, I could share that one, but I couldn't share this one. I don't know. I mean, the one before that, the green, the light green one. I'm not a very gadget type of girl, so I'm learning as I go. Every day I learn something new about my gadgets. And now I go from this corner and I pour on down this corner. You see? So it's just going diagonally. It's going across. One is going this way, the other one's going the other way. So yeah. Isn't that cool? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then what I do is I take and I just swirl it until all the paints are mixed all over the place. Yeah. Just a lot of tilting. You don't want to lose all your beautiful paint. Isn't that pretty? So it could be called the crisscross pour, or it could just be called a pour. Whatever you want to call it, it's fine with me. I love any name that you give it, it's fine. Or if you don't give it any name, it's fine too. I know how people don't like when you give certain things names. So, yeah. So, and I'm just going to add a little black, because I think you could use a little black here, a little black here. Yeah. That's what I've been doing lately with the lines, with the black. Just adding lines. These are my own lines. Love it just the way it is. I just love the way it's turning out. Yeah. So I'm just going to tilt more. Let me give it a little torch. Ooh, look at that. Because I put a lot of the butane in it. Probably too much butane in it. Just put some color here. Put some white in this one. The white is kind of disappearing, but that's okay. Put a little bit gray in it, because I do like the gray. And you can kind of mix it all together. All the colors mixed together. Now, I really like the way this came out here, so I'm leaving that alone. What I want to do is change up something here, and that's this corner. I'm pouring it on top of the black, directly on top of the black, because the black is nice, but I changed my mind. I'd rather not have it so much, so pronounced in there. That's the good thing about ribbon pour, right? So let's see if this kind of behaves itself and not get so crazy. Burn my canvas. Yes. Oh, that's better. I've seen somebody torching, and they said that they use their guns to make um, all their cells. But I think that I go along with it. I locked it, so I didn't realize I locked it. I remember my last torch like this, I was told that I had to wait for the gas to go into it like really good to settle down. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it sideways. Maybe if I lay it sideways, it'll kind of get in place where it's supposed to get. No, I gotta be careful. I don't want to burn down the house now. So but anyway, good morning, or is it good afternoon? What time is it now, guys? Let me see. I don't know. I can't tell the time right now because I'm looking at you and my phone has the time. Anyway, I just wanted to say hi to everyone. Have a happy weekend, and I am doing fine. My psychologist, social worker, you call them, is not putting me on any medication. because he feels that a lot of time medications could make you more sick. So he's just working with me. He sees me once a month. And yeah, so I like it. It's helping me a lot. Got me to talk about a lot of things that I needed to talk about. But sometimes people don't let you talk. And when they don't let you talk and they call you drama queen and all these names, then you're afraid to go on and talk to people. So people let people talk to you. I mean, if you have a listening ear. If you don't bother. Don't bother at all. You're not doing them a favor. Just hi and goodbye if you have to. But anyway, that's it. Have a wonderful weekend. Love you all to pieces. And I'm sorry I'm not here as much as I could be, but I got to give other people a break to do their thing too. All right? And I did sell some paintings. I'm just not supposed to go over 700 within the month. If I do, then I have to report it to disability, which I would do because I'm not the type to cheat the federal government or whoever. I don't cheat people. I never did. I have no need to. I worked 43 years in the medical field. I worked my butt off to get to where I was. And I am so happy now, 3 years doing painting. So God bless you, and I see you all. And I'll keep supporting the people that I'm supporting. And I will keep joining the lives as much as I can. But like I said, I got 8 to 9 social media pages. So I'm trying to be everywhere at the same time. It's not easy, but I'm trying. All right? I'm going to try harder here. Love you all. Okay, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Let me show you. That's the left-hand corner. Look how beautiful is that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love these colors. They are perfect with one another. Let me turn that. This takes away from the actual painting, the light. Look at these colors. And look at the black I put in there, you see? That's why I added the black the last minute. Because you could change, look at this corner, how sloppy that looks. I'll fix that. I'm gonna fix this too, put some more white here to just let it run over. And yeah, I wanted the white here to run like this here, you see, so I will fix that white. You can always fix your paintings when you're done, you see. Look at those, how beautiful is those lines. Those lines are gorgeous. So you could call it your crisscross pour, only because you're going crisscross with the pour itself. Or you could call it a ribbon pour. It's up to you. I'm calling this one my crisscross pour. All right, guys. Love you all. If you want a copy, go right ahead. If you don't, it's fine. I understand. Love you all. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Oh, I wanted to show you one more thing. The one that dried. This one. It dries so beautiful. Look at those colors. How gorgeous are those colors, guys? Dries so gorgeous. I love the way this one dried. Beautiful the way it dried. Yeah. I mean, look at the black line I put in there, just like this one. But look at that copper. That copper is amazing. It's really amazing, the copper. So that one is definitely, look, completely dry. I did this one a few weeks ago, I think. I don't even know. But it dried beautiful. Look at the copper. How beautiful. And look at the cells. They're all still there. Looking gorgeous as ever. Oh yeah, still looks beautiful. I love using the metallic colors. The copper is beautiful. That's from Arteza. All those shiny colors are Arteza. Yep, I did put some Arteza in here. I had to make it shine. This one, I'm not too crazy about those little black dots, but I could fix that. A little bit more of that same green. Yeah, look at that cells. Cells are beautiful. Yeah, be right up, honey.